Stop saying the awful sound. How dare you resist?
Gotta go now. What the hell is that? Oh shoot.
Fire in the house!
Never mind, you are my target now.
Shield. Fire in the
Got you back. Bro, I saved your life.
Don't shoot. We team up for Astros.
We gotta kill him.
This feels weird.
For your own good, bro.
Fire in the house!
Whoa, this is cool. You're still alive?
Fire in the... Fire in the...
Got him.
Yo, what's good, bro?
What's good? You need upgrades, dude.
I know, bruv.
They just keep coming.
Fire in the house! Fire in the house!
Is that a mini Strider Astro?
Fire in the house!
We are back, you newbies. Time to die. Seriously?
Nice job, you two.
Thanks, bro. Do I need to hold this pose longer?